can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm sharing what my closet looks like, and it is a little unorganized. We are actually going to be doing a closet makeover in here on a budget-friendly basis, and I'm going to be taking you along. But this closet is totally underutilized. We actually have a shelf here underneath all these clothes that is totally useless because my husband didn't even remember that the shelf was there. So we're going to take you along as we make over this closet on a really tight budget. So let's get started. After taking some measurements, we made a trip to IKEA and picked up some different pieces here that we felt like would work perfectly inside the closet. They have a lot of really nice closet organizers, but they were a little bit out of our budget. So we went with this Kallax units here, and I'm going to show you how we utilize them in the closet. As much as I'd like to get rid of the wire racks, this is a budget-friendly project and we're going to keep the wire racks. However, we've taken down that lower one that was totally useless, and we've also opened up some space at the back. I'm filling in the many holes that were left after removing the racks, and we're just going to put some spackling on these and then touch them up with some paint since the closet's in fairly good shape otherwise. So here's what we did with the rack. We put it above the original rack. This way we can have some additional storage up high, and this bottom area that was totally underutilized will get something new. So let's take a look at what we did next. Ta-da! Doesn't it look great? This is the 3 storage units. We have the one vertical one attached to the wall, and we also attached it to the existing racks here. There's so much storage down low as well as up high now. So let's take a look. Here is everything back in the closet, and can you believe this? We have almost double the storage area. So much was underutilized. Now I have all this space to add new items if I would like to. My husband is cringing as I say that. But we are thrilled with how this turned out. Everything has its place. And I do hope to get some more of the cube storage pieces so that we can hide more of the items, but I will be getting those later. I also just received the new racks to help organize my shoes here on the pegboard. We added the pegboard when we built the house, and I keep tweaking it, but we finally got the new racks in, and everything is where it should be, and it's much more organized. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching.